Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies in Abu Dhabi. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.reachbritishschool.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, Reach British School. In this main page, right corner one of the option menu available. If you click this link menu, you can get one option contact. If you click this link contact, you can get career opportunities. If you click this link career opportunities, you can get what are the job vacancies in Reach British School for academic year 21-22. Here they are given full-time teaching position for academic year 21-22, primary class teacher, art teacher, music, librarian, secondary food technology teacher, geography, French, English, mathematics and science secondary teachers. So these are the vacancies for academic year 21-22. So what is the ideal candidate will have the following qualification, skills and experience. The ability to innovate, excite and motivate children and colleagues, bachelor degree with appropriate specialization and PGCE, minimum full time 2 years teaching experience, exceptional communication skill, strong skills in the use of IT, UK curriculum experience is desirable. So if you are interested these vacancies, you can send your letter of application and your CV to Human Resource Department at recruitment at reachbritishschool.com. So closing date it open until position filled. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. So everything they are clearly mentioned here. So if your subject vacancies are available, you can apply as per the instruction for Reach British School. If you want to know more about this school, you can click in the menu. You can get all the details from menu itself, what are the curriculum they are following, what is the syllabus for this. So everything you can get it in the menu itself. So the next one is Raga International School Abu Dhabi. You can enter in this URL www.ris.ae. If you click this link, you can get this main page. In this main page, one of the option right corner menu available. If you click this link menu, work with us. If you click this link work with us, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies in Raga International School for academic year 21-22. So this is the current vacancies. Primary art teacher, middle year program design teacher, science teacher, PE teacher, mathematics teacher, secondary counselor. So these are the vacancies for Raga International School Abu Dhabi. So here also they are mentioned the school does not accept and will not respond to unsolicited job applications. So what is the qualification and criteria they are given here for teaching position at Raga or any other school in the UAE? Ensure that hold the correct qualification and have the requested experience. We normally anticipate a minimum 2 years qualified teaching experience they are mentioned. So qualification given here, all candidates must complete a 12 years of primary, secondary qualification and bachelor degree in education or equivalent specialization in the relevant educational field. Holding a subject degree alone will not qualify you teach in the UAE. So qualification here given. So Ministry of Education approval also here mentioned, medical and police clearance certificates. Candidate will be expected to supply a police clearance certificate. Once you are selected, you have to produce your police clearance certificate. So everything they are given here. So if you want to know more details about this school, you can check it in the menu. So in this job application, how to apply? So here they are given, apply now. If you are interested these vacancies, you can click this link apply now. If you click this link apply now, it will be redirected into the another page. So please fill out this form if you intended to apply a teaching position at Raga International School. Please submit only one application per person. Only CV of qualified teaching professionals will be considered. So if you click this link start, you can get one job application form. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. So there are only 8 sections in this application form. We will require to upload a up-to-date CV maximum of 2 page and letter of application maximum of 2 page. Please ensure you have all documents ready to upload. You begin this process. First you are given your first name. Once you have entered the first name, then last name, your email address. Do you currently hold UAE residency or citizenship? No. Teaching in UAE or overseas? If you are having overseas experience, you can give it to overseas. Then what area are you applying for? So once you have secondary teacher you are applying, you can click secondary grade 6 to 12 subject teacher. Otherwise, depends upon your subject, you can click here. So do you have bachelor in your teaching subject? Yes. How many years of teaching experience? So do you have experience in IB World School or IB Candidate School? Finally, you can upload your CV here. Maximum file size is 10 MB. Once you have uploaded your file, you can submit your job application. Once you have submitted, you can get acknowledgement for your future references. So this is the way to apply Raga International School. The third one is, you can enter in the URL www.ahbs.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, Aspen Heights British School. I will give it to the website link. You can use and apply as per the instructions. So Aspen Heights British School, they are offering few vacancies. So work with us, one of the option available in the menu. If you click this link, work with us, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies academic year 21-22. So to apply for a position, please submit a brief letter of application and your CV to the Human Resource Department at recruitment@ahbs.ae. Closing date is open until position filled. So what are the vacancies here? The current vacancies for academic year 21-22. Male PE teacher, HR or finance assistant, English, Arabic speaking, SEN teacher, SEN teaching assistant, and spouse or father visa. So Husband High School is, they are offering few vacancy. Once you have selected, you can submit a current police clearance certificate. So if you are interested these vacancies, you can apply as per the instruction. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that our application has been unsuccessful. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.